Hi, I'm Stacy. I'm the safe buyer at Fin Feather Fur. Lots of times people will ask me, what is your most popular safe? I feel that the Colonial line of safes has been our most popular safe line for years. This safe now has an increased fire rating to 75 minutes. It comes in 3 sizes, this being the 50 size, which is the best bang for the buck in a Colonial. But as you can see, you can stuff it full of all kinds of things. This is our safe we keep on the ashland floor. We store things in it. But as you can see, it's a huge capacity safe, 75 minutes. The door panel comes with it. It comes in e-lock or mechanical lock. This is the first level of safe with Liberty that you can actually get a gloss finish. If you have any questions, give me a call at the Fin, 419-281-2557, extension 1004. Thank you.